Hello everyone. In this session, we will extend our knowledge about variables and print statement. Now, we will assign different variables and we will display the output. Take an example. Suppose we want to store the details of cricket player, his name, total matches, runs and batting average. We will declare different variables to store this information. To declare a variable, we have to follow some rules like the variable must be a single word. It may be a combination of alphabet, number and underscore, but the first character must be an alphabet. And the third is, it should not be a keyword. The keyword means something which is already reserved by Python like print, type, etc. This is the sample list of keyword of Python. So, for our program to store cricketer information, we will declare the following variables. First is a player and we will assign it a value Sachin Tendulkar like this. Again, here we have enclosed the text in double quotes because string data type in any computer language is enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. Then another variable to store country like this. Similarly, we will create variables for matches, runs and the batting average. We will also assign them a value like this. Here, we don't have to worry about the data types and storage capacity. Python will take care of it. Here, we have just stored the data in a variable. Now, we will print the variables using the print statement. For this, write print and inside the print, name of the variable. First, we will print player, then country, then matches, then run and batting average like this. Let's run the program. Here is our output. If you look at the output, it's not organized, though it is right. Let's modify our print statement. In the first print, we will write name of player in double quotes like this. And after the comma, we will write variable name. Then in second line, we will write player from in double quotes. And then country variable name exactly like this. Let's do this for matches, runs and then batting average. Our modifications are complete and now we will run the code. Now look at the output. It's more clean and organized and everyone will understand. Hope you got a better understanding of print statement. Here I would like to tell you one more thing. You can reduce this 4 lines to 1 line if you want. Instead of using several print statements, we can use just one print statement and then /n for formatting. This is the code when you print all the variables in single line. Let's run the code. Well, you got the correct output. Before moving into further session, please practice well. Your Python has just started. You will learn many things and you will be a great software developer one day. Thanks for watching it.